Here we go. It's so good. Like, you don't eat it? I thought we all did. Isn't that what we do here? Or am I the only one? Yeah, locking, girl. Right, I thought we all ate it here. Maybe I'm the only one. Who knows? Alright, let's get the one that's sitting in timeout. Yeah, that's why my ice maker's always running, because we gotta put all this stuff on top of it. Mine's definitely the OG Comet. As long as it tastes like that, we're good. Just get a couple of cans and sprinkle it on top. So good. It really does make great pancakes and waffles. The kids even like it. The kids have been eating it in the morning now. They always ask, Mom, can we have, how much saved paste do you have? Can we have pancakes today? It's what we send my husband for work for lunch. He has to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at work, so he just gets a tub of paste every day for all his meals. What? The kids love it. I mean, times are hard. Groceries are expensive. It's such a healthy breakfast. It's so full of nutrients. Hi. Hey, Elle. Yeah. It smells so bleachy. I'm loving it right now. Oh, Santa's, yeah. All my kids that are getting for Christmas is this paste. That's all they're getting. Paste for you, paste for you. You get paste, you get paste. Hopefully in the next few years we have phones that you can smell. Could you imagine? Oh, the next level clean talk would be. Paste wrapped in a bow. Yep. Yep, cylinders, recycled powder, paste. Yeah, you'll have your paste waiting for you too. Right on the porch for you, love. Oh, I'd definitely take a case of Comet for Christmas. Best gift ever. All right. Pine panelin. Oh, I'd like a whole palette too. Oh. Oh, I hope everything's going well. It's just a checkup. Can smell it from here. Yum. Thank you for the follow. I'm glad you're enjoying this, princess. Let's do some more powder bombs. Yep, she'll mute. She's not playing. Not playing today. Yes, I love the XTRapine. I can't find it like locally, so I have to order off the TikTok shop. But I really love XTRapine. It's so good. That's like one thing I can't get my hands on. Just special order it. I think it's like, yeah, I can see that pie. I don't know, I get a more sweet smell from XTRapine, but I've only had 2 jugs of it, so. And it's very sudsy. It doesn't like how Pop takes all the suds away. I feel like it's more like pinesol and pine panelin, but I could definitely be wrong. Like I said, I only got 2 jugs. You shot silent watching. I do that a lot too. I'm glad you're enjoying this. Pancake mix. Hey. Comet and pine and but I want the teal, so I need to get rid of that and add some more blue. right, here we go. Nobody wants to watch your private videos. I mixed the green and the blue together. I'll watch your private videos, Ash. Heck yeah. Oh, I'm glad you've been watching all morning. That makes me happy. I'm doing good. How are you? Thank you for the heart or the rose. I'm gonna do something. I want to do let me get a fabric softener and some of that dish soap. Right? It looks like it would be so good. Just take a little dip. Here, just one little bite. There you go. All right, let's do some more powder. We had our dish soap fun. We're at our last 3 cans. If anybody wants to send for any more liquids or cans, all we have left is to add 2.5 cans. Big mama. Yeah, the pinesol went in just a little bit ago.